Hi, I'm Sharon, and I'm here with Jim, my student. And what we're going to play with is restorative yoga. On Friday night at Yoga Sanctuary at 5:30, we kind of get the weekend off to a great start by coming into this beautiful stillness and restorative yoga. Restorative yoga is rejuvenative. So, I already have the setup here. I have Jim. So we're going to go ahead and put Jim into this pose. BKS Iyengar calls this resting in the great golden womb of the universe. So, Jim, you're going to just swing around so that your back body is to the bolster. Okay. And your feet are already toward each other. So what we need to do is find the perfect alignment where your tailbone can tilt just a little bit, and then we'll bring the soles of your feet together as your knees open onto the support of these blankets that are folded. So I'll adjust that in a minute while you go ahead and let yourself down one vertebra at a time, please. Okay, and see how your hands just naturally went to the support of the blankets. So from here, the soles of the feet are together. These little blankets that are folded, we want to get them on an angle so they support the opening of the thighs. In restorative yoga, we like the groins, the stomach, and the chest to be nice and open rather than stretched. So we're here. And then as we travel up the body, we look at the arms, which are perfectly supported by these two blankets rather than the cork floor. Then we look at the head, and now we might want to raise Jim's head just a little bit and maybe fold the blanket like this, because we want the forehead a little higher than the chin. Is that comfortable? Okay, perfect. So we take just a moment here and do an overview. Make sure that the spine is in the correct alignment. Next, we're going to bring a little support into the hands, a little weight there. Then we'll cover the student with a blanket. Restorative has certain requirements, one of which is that you be warm. We like the room to be dim, but the most important point in restorative is that you must be supremely comfortable, not just a little comfortable. And then right before I take care of the last part of the feet, I'm going to bring the eye pillow for the darkness aspect. And we will be here for up to 20 minutes, because the longer you spend in this posture, the more you can let go of any thoughts and just be with the pose. The feet, we can do a little reflexology, a little foot massage. after a while, you might notice right now, Jim's breathing, you can see it in the abdominal area. But after this pose puts you in the right place where we're headed, the breath even disappears.